Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Hazel Carambas. I'm 31 years old. My birthday is October 29, 1991. Uh,
Sorry, is it October 29, 1992 or 1991?
1992, ma'am.
October 1992. Okay?
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
is your height and your weight?
Five, 5'3", ma'am.
Your weight?
59, ma'am.
Your height is 5'3" and your weight is 59.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about your religion?
Online spiritista, ma'am.
What is that? Is it Christian?
Yes, ma'am. Online spiritista Cristiana de Pilipina.
Okay. Okay, what about your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, so you have one child which is 4 years old, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Married, ma'am.
Married. Okay, so who will going to take care of your child once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am.
What about your husband? Where is your husband?
She go to work, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
32 years old, ma'am. And then, uh, chicker in grocery, ma'am.
Okay, so what about your sibling? How many brother and sister do you have?
Three, ma'am. Only three, ma'am. All girls.
Okay, so what is your rank in your family?
I'm the third, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your husband?
Yes, ma'am.
Your husband allow you to come and work here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first timer.
Yes, ma'am.
Being a domestic helper, as I repeatedly say that it is very tough, okay? You need to
Yes,
endure
ma'am.
pain, you need to be hardworking, you need also to fight your homesickness because it will frequently attack you. How will you gonna fight for it?
I will fight for my family.
And then,
For my, and I call my family, ma'am.
okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2009 to 2019 for 2 years, and it is also one employer only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties here? To your previous
Uh,
employment in Philippines?
I'll take care baby mom and wash clothes
Okay.
and laundry, cleaning, gardening, mom. All around, mom.
Okay. How old is the child that you take care?
1 year old and until 10 years old, mom.
So one child only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
What about baby? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Please focus in the camera, okay? Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
A little, ma'am. I'm not good.
Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to be multitasking. You need to be flexible in all the things, okay? While
Yes,
working
ma'am.
inside the employer's premises, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you aware that you cannot easily go back home if there is any uncertain situations that might happen back to your family in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you signed a 2 years contract. It's not that so easy that if you wanted to go back home, you will going back home. No such a thing, okay? You signed a 2 years contract. Once you breach your contract, you have a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency. As nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, you are the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In usage of mobile handphone also, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you're working. But rather than, you can hold it during nighttime only 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, you have a once a week rest day, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you are not allowed to go out. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us about your mobile handphone. No such a thing, okay?
Yes,
We don't
ma'am.
want that you already agree about our terms and conditions. After that, you come here, you will going to demand us, ma'am, can I use my mobile handphone? Ma'am, can I go out on my rest day? No such a thing because you already agree about our terms and conditions. Yeah? Are you sure? Ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So normally, how will you gonna like if employer scold you but you didn't do anything wrong? Like for example, employer get angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong. What will you do?
I will sorry, ma'am.
You will say sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
But you didn't do anything wrong.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, but always bear it to your mind, Hazel, that we come here to work. We are not the boss, okay? Please follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you are the one who will going to work inside the premises, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever problems or any concerns, you directly inform the employer, yeah? Ask
Yes, ma'am.
permissions, whatever, like for example, if you saw some fruits inside the fridge or whatsoever, always ask permission, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't take anything inside the employer's premises. Yeah?
Yes,
Always wear your good attitude because always remember we come to work here. We wanted to earn money to sustain our family's needs. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
We are not here to feel like we are the boss. No such a thing. Okay? In Philippines, we might be the boss because that is our home, that is our motherland. But here, no such a thing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in our agency will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Thank you,
and have a good
ma'am.
day. Bye.
Good day.